Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video is quite interesting. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Fulani braids with curly hair at the back, but I'm not going to do the sew in wave or the wave and so on, because most people have been saying doing this hairstyle are just putting on waves, but I decided to get creative with this and use the crochet braids. And for the crochet braids, I think I used was it 2 packets, or I think 1.5 a packet, because it's really fluffy type of crochet braids, so you really don't need so much of the braids while doing this crochet method. And I got the braids from Natural Hair Kenya, like always, guys, they got you. And this is the same braid that is used while doing passion twist. So I think this is the water weave. I'm not sure about the name, but it's the same hair that is used on passion twist. Yeah, but I'm going to like insert a text over here for the name of this braid. So what I did was I had cornrows at the back, and I have the straight cornrow that is going from the left to right. Reason being because I did not want to have a space in between the crochet braids at the back and the cornrows at the front. I think you guys are going to see how this look is going to turn out, and you'll understand why I did that. And for this look, I separated one strand into 2 because I did not want it to be so combed out and lose the curls. Also, I fell in love with this color, guys. You guys can see this color is really cute, and be really careful with how you unravel them, because you do not want to lose the curls, because the curls make this hairstyle. Yes, so yeah, I just like to be unique, I like being unique. So I thought, let me just try something different, because many people are trying it out in black and so on. So the reason why I was crocheting it like this crochet method doesn't have a name, but whenever I'm trying to use minimal crochet braid or minimal crochet hair while doing my crochet braids, I crochet the single strand, then I take the other strand and crochet it again. This is going to help with having the braids scatter around your head, and also you're going to be using less braids. And using less braids means less cost, so you're going to be spending less coins if you use this method. So when you crochet your hair with one strand, just take the other strand and crochet it again. Trust me, guys, this is going to work for you. You're going to use less packs and it's still going to be full. So you guys can see I have reached the crown area. I don't know if this is the crown area, but I am at the front, and I'm still using the same method. As I crochet one strand, I take the strand again and crochet again. So use this method if you want to use less braids. You do not want it to be too puffy and unrealistic. You want it to look as realistic as possible. So be really careful with how you distribute these braids on your cornrows, guys. I repeat, be very careful with how you distribute, and you'll get the look.
Original bad man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me, I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me around town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about him it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I'm vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stacks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, huh, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I'm vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original, Batman, oh, yeah, oh, VQ's on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Original Batman, you don't know.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. Chop your body.
So we are almost through with this tutorial, and guys, we are just going to be doing 8 cornrows on the front. I think you can do 6 or 8 cornrows. You do not want to do too much. You do not want to do less than that, because it would look really funny. So as per my opinion, I think 6 or 8 cornrows at the front would be okay. And what I wanted to explain to you guys was how I was finishing my braids. How I was finishing my cornrows at the front. That was something I really wanted to explain, why I was using the crochet braids, which I used at the back to finish the cornrow towards the end. So also, if you do not know how to cornrow, I have a detailed video on how to cornrow on my channel. You can just check them out. So I took the crochet braid I was using at the back, and I was adding it to the cornrow as I was going on, and this is because I wanted my cornrows to blend in with the crochet braid with the crochet braids at the back. So as I was doing my finishing while doing my cornrows, what I did is I braided it and left a quarter of the crochet braid, then just sealed it so that it could not unravel, because if you leave it like that, it's going to unravel. So I left the tips without finishing them off completely, because I wanted them to blend with the braids at the back. I hope you guys understand what I mean by that. Like you can see up there, the braids at the bottom blend with the crochet braids at the back. That is why I was adding the crochet braids I was using at the back onto the cornrows, so that I could have them blended. They just look the same. My cornrows started off while they were dark, then ended up being light like the braids at the back. That is why I was adding it like that on the cornrows, so that they can look alike, similar, blended and all that. So I hope you guys understand what I was doing on this video, and understand why I was doing it like that. And I hope you have learned something. Please like, share and subscribe. You can comment down below on what you think about this hairstyle. Is this something that you would try out? Also, I was thinking of doing more crochet hairstyles. I was going to do a crochet hair series, and I think this is the third crochet hairstyle that I've done in the last, I think, a month or 2 months or so I'm thinking of doing more crochet hairstyles. I have more crochet braids I'd love to share with you. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more crochet hairstyles, because I have a lot more in store for you guys. A lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot. And also thank you so much for the support you guys have been giving me. I cannot be thankful enough for the support you guys have been giving me. I'm so thankful. And yeah, that is all I can say. And until our next video, guys, bye. Mwah.
I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that she no, they do me, she get. You wanna come on, fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. So nobody better than you. I know. I say nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and reach your money, yo. Reach your money, yo. Them they feel you from London to SA. We could do it my way. Baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya. Anything you do, make I feel ya. If I never do, I'ma go talk am. Baby, you rock am. No need for protein, baby. Love you, baby. Dagu, body. I know say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Who I want to feel.